Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP826 cooking thermometer. Out of the box, you will receive one customer support card, one user manual, one receiver, one transmitter, two stainless steel temperature probes, one probe clip, and 4 AAA batteries. Let's set up your TP826. First, insert the batteries into the back of the receiver and the transmitter. Go ahead and insert the temperature probes into the side of the transmitter. Your receiver has an LCD display. On the display, you'll have an alarm icon indicator and a low battery indicator, which will only show when the battery is low. It's equipped with a soft rubber sleeve, a hanging hole, the battery compartment, a magnet, and a tabletop stand. Let's go over the buttons. The receiver has a power button, which can be used to pair the devices if they ever unpair from each other. It has a probe set alarm button, which allows you to toggle between probe 1 and probe 2. It can also be used to disable and enable the alarm feature by holding it down for 3 seconds. It has a backlight for usage in low light conditions. Keep in mind, it will turn off after 10 seconds of inactivity to conserve battery. It has an up HR button, which can increase temperature and timer settings. The down arrow minute button can be used to decrease temperature and timer settings. It has a timer Fahrenheit Celsius button to enter the timer mode and change the units of measurement. To change the units of measurement, press and hold down this button for 3 seconds. It has a start, stop, clear button, which allows you to control the timer. The meat high low button allows you to select preset meat temps, barbecue high and low temps, and custom temperature settings. The transmitter also has an LCD display, which also has a low battery indicator that will only appear when the battery gets low. The transmitter also has a hanging hole, the battery compartment, the soft rubber sleeve, and a tabletop stand. Let's go over the transmitter buttons. The transmitter has a power button that also acts as a Fahrenheit Celsius button. Press and hold this button down for 3 seconds to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It also has a backlight button for usage in low light conditions. Let's go over how to set a preset meat temperature. Press the probe button to select either probe 1 or probe 2. Press the meat button to enter the meat selection. Press the meat button again to choose your meat type and then press set. Press and hold the probe button for 3 seconds to activate the alarm. To set a meat temperature to your specific taste, select a probe and then press the up HR button to increase the temperature or the down minute button to decrease the temperature. Hold the button down to scroll faster, and then press set. To set high and low barbecue temperatures, press the probe button to select probe 2. Press the meat barbecue button to enter the meat barbecue selection, and press until you reach the barbecue icon, and then press Set to confirm. Press the Up HR button to increase the high setting, then press Set. Then press the Down Minute button to decrease the low setting, and then press Set. Press and hold the probe button down for 3 seconds to activate the barbecue alarm. To set a countdown or count up timer, press the timer button to enter the timer mode. Press the Up HR button to increase the hour setting, and press the Down Minute button to increase the minute setting. Press the timer button to confirm the setting. Use the Start, Stop, Clear button to control the timer. To clear the timer settings, hold down this button for 3 seconds. To switch to a count up timer, first clear the timer settings and it will automatically switch to the count up mode. Use this button to control the count up timer. You are now ready to set up and use your brand new TP826B cooking thermometer.